In today's video, we're tackling a classic monotonic stack problem called daily temperatures, which is LeetCode number 739. The problem is pretty straightforward. You're given an array of daily temperatures, and for each day, you need to figure out how many days you have to wait until a warmer temperature shows up. If there's no warmer day ahead, you just return 0. Take this example on screen. Day 1 is 73 degrees, and day 2 jumps to 74, so you only wait one day. Day 3 is 75, and you have to wait all the way until day 7 to hit 76. That's a 4-day wait. The second to last day is 76, and nothing warmer comes after it, so the answer is 0. The most straightforward approach is brute force. For each day, scan forward one by one until you find a higher temperature. In the worst case, if temperatures are strictly decreasing, every day scans all the way to the end, giving you ON squared time. Can we do it in a single pass? Yes, and the answer is a monotonic stack. Here's the core idea. We maintain a stack that stores the indices of days that haven't found their answer yet. We iterate through the temperature array from left to right. For each new temperature, we compare it with the temperature at the index on top of the stack. If the new temperature is higher, that means the day on top of the stack has finally found a warmer day. We pop it off, and the answer for that day is the current index minus the popped index. We keep popping as long as the current temperature is greater than the temperature at the stack's top. Then we push the current index onto the stack. Because the temperatures in the stack always decrease from bottom to top, this is called a monotonic decreasing stack. After the iteration, any indices still left in the stack never found a warmer day, so their answers stay at 0. The time complexity is ON, since each element is pushed and popped at most once. Space complexity is also ON. Now let's walk through it step by step. We start with an empty stack and a result array filled with zeros. The array is 0 indexed, so we'll start from day 0. Day 0, temperature 73. The stack is empty, so we just push index 0 onto it. Day 1, temperature 74. That's higher than 73 at the stack's top, so we pop index 0. Day 0's answer is 1 minus 0, which equals 1. It only had to wait one day. The stack is now empty, so we push index 1. Day 2, temperature 75. It's higher than the top once more. We pop index 1, and day 1's answer is 2 minus 1, which is also 1, another one-day wait. Stack is empty, push index 2. Now things change. Day 3, temperature 71. That's lower than 75 at the top. No popping happens, we just push it onto the stack. Day 4, temperature 69. Even lower than 71, so we push that too. At this point, let's look at the stack. It holds 3 indices from bottom to top. Index 2 with temperature 75, Index 3 with 71, and Index 4 with 69. Notice they're in decreasing order. That's the monotonic property in action. Here's the interesting part. Day 5, temperature 72. It's higher than 69 at the top, so we pop index 4. Day 4's answer is 5 minus 4 equals 1. But we're not done yet. We check the new top. 72 is also higher than 71, so we pop index 3 as well. Day 3's answer is 5 minus 3 equals 2. Notice what just happened. We popped 2 elements in a row with a single temperature. That's the beauty of a monotonic stack. Days 3 and 4 had been sitting in the stack, waiting patiently. When day 5 came along with 72 degrees, both of their weights got settled all at once. This is much more efficient than checking each day individually. Now 72 is lower than 75, so we stop popping and push index 5. The stack is back to holding 2 elements, indices 2 and 5. Day 6, temperature 76. This is a big one. It's higher than 72 at the top, so we pop index 5. Day 5 only waited one day, so its answer is 1. But 76 is also higher than 75, so we pop index 2 as well. Day 2's answer is 6 minus 2 equals 4. Day 2 had been waiting in the stack since the very beginning, and it finally found its warmer day. The stack is now empty, so we push index 6 onto it. Finally, day 7, temperature 73. That's lower than 76 at the top, so we just push it. The iteration is done. Indices 6 and 7 are still sitting in the stack. They never found a warmer day, so their answers remain at 0. And there's our final result on screen. Let's step back and think about why this works so well. The key insight is that each element enters the stack exactly once and leaves it at most once. That means the total number of push and pop operations across the entire array is at most 2n, making the total time O(n). Compare that to the brute force O(n) squared, and you can see the huge improvement. This is the classic next greater element pattern, and it shows up in a ton of problems. Whenever you need to find the next larger or smaller element for every position in an array, think monotonic stack. All right, that's it for daily temperatures. See you in the next one.